and these are the textbooks. You can see the been very silent and very nice study atmosphere, and these are the books. All kind of books are available. Student can refer for their education purposes, or they can refer whenever they need it, and they can study. He can make a self study, and they can use it for their study purposes all the time. You can see the many books like they got a very the range of books which is so any student they can refer and they can study according to their requirements. The newspapers, periodicals get updated. They're very cozy and very nice, and also they got a Xerox machine. They can take a copy of whatever they want. This is very interesting place because this is what how it is looks a benefit is library, which whatever the colleges or university I go India or out of India, so I go to university that library first. The better the library, so that shows that how the management is taking up the education proper way. Now I'll show you how this is the look from the student will come. This is a library building. I'm on the first floor now, and the student can come from here. The admin and also education blocks are there. So this is I can see. I can come. I can see like the entire all these education blocks are there, and we'll go to the. This is something called entry restricted, but when we will go there, this is a museum. The museum of the serum, dental products, nail products, because as you know, this kind of pharmaceutical chemistry is most backbone. So entire thing, how the packaging done, how the medicine is properly packed. So everything is like a saline bottle. So how it will be properly, packed and compositions, everything will be taught over here. This is a pharma analysis lab. This is the lab of the pharma lab, and people still the classes are going on, and this is how the entrance and maybe the classes. That's a class actually. This is a lab, and the classes are there, live classes. Now there's the classes.
Without showing me how you can set the place. Okay, now where it is here this place.
Students are busy.
Simply you have run and roll with this fellow.
This is cell, huh? This is
Yes, of plant.
the plant. You make a drawing for this or something?
Yeah, it's drawing for it.
Yeah. It's a black
Black sheep.
sheet. So whatever you see, you draw. You make a drawing here.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So yeah, keep going. This is the nursing practical rooms. So I'll show the students and the parents. You see, this is how, because nursing is more important that there are assisted doctors. So better nurses, the better the healthcare industry, any country. So So the nurses to be most knowledgeable. And can you see? It looks like in a patient ward actually. You can see they can have a live, handsome, a handsome kind of experience like a hospital, the ward. So like the entire the patients. I mean, so they can, how they give the drugs time to time. So everything they have. I mean, they are like they are the classes and everything. You can see everything in here that like their everything the utensils what is required for the patients in the world is available there. So that will help everything. So can you see this? ए नर्स को अच्छा नर्स को सीखने के लिए क्या क्या रहता है और जब वो यहाँ पे पढ़ेंगे जब वो मेडिकल दे गो हॉस्पिटल ना तो उनका कैसा रहेगा उसका नॉलेज का क्वालिटी और एक्सपीरियंस सो यहीं से जाएगी. सो दिस इज़ व्हाट आई कैन टेल यू दैट and the beds and the linens, so how everything, the blankets and all, because whenever the patients is discharged or in person coming in, the linen has to be properly neatly done, everything, the blanket and everything, because this is a most the efficient and most important way to study the nursing over here. So this is again the very big place, and this is what how can able to do that. So okay.
और चाबी किस चीज़ का बोलूँ है?
It's a museum.
ये सब व्यूज अच्छा है.
These drugs, as I told you that the pharmaceutical and nursing, they get knowledge on the drugs actually. So entire kind of drugs and kind of any chemical, so hair or hair oil or any kind of soap or shampoo, everything that has to be taught here, so that when they go to the pharmaceutical industry, so it will be the more the knowledge they get from here, so it will be helpful for them get the jobs in India or out of India. नाउ अभी हम जा रहे कैंटीन तरह जा रहे हैं. तो जब यहाँ पे मैं ये बिल्डिंग में ऊपर था और अभी जो हम ऊपर दिख रहे थे, अभी कैन सी द कॉम्प्लेक्स कि अभी हम जा रहे हैं कैंटीन और अदर प्लेसेस हम लेके जा रहे हैं. एंड
ये सिनेरियो लीजिए, खूबसूरत है बहुत.
हाँ
ये सिनेरियो लीजिए.
बहुत
हाँ ये मैनेजमेंट का ब्रांच है सर. मैनेजमेंट का स्किप नहीं है. करिए कोई मैनेजमेंट का ये है कैंप.
बच्चों लोगों को जब वहाँ पे रिफ्रेशमेंट आएगा तो कॉलेज के साथ यहाँ पे एक रिफ्रेशमेंट सेंटर भी है. तो काइंड ऑफ वेरी ओपन एरिया, और वो तो स्टूडेंट्स कैन एबल टू टेक काइंड ऑफ लाइट मील्स और सम काइंड ऑफ स्नैक्स ओवर हियर. तो आपको कोई बाहर जाने का ज़रूरत नहीं है. तो देयर इज़ नो नीड टू गो आउट. इट्स स्मॉल गार्डन भी है यहाँ पे, और यहाँ पे कैफेटेरिया. So this cafeteria looks now तो शाम को 4 बज गया, थोड़ा अभी शायद चाय पे आएंगे शायद शाम को. So this is the place where the people get refreshed, students can get refreshed and go to classes again on that. Good. The kitchen in the kitchen, and here is the dining hall and sit out area. Thank you.
ग्राउंड बस.
Yeah, चलो. एंड हमेशा रहता है कि जैसे लोकल स्टूडेंट रहते हैं और पीपल स्टूडेंट्स जब बाहर जो रहते हैं, मतलब सिटी के अंदर रहते हैं, तो उनको वी रिक्वायर सम काइंड ऑफ ट्रांसपोर्ट सिस्टम. तो कॉलेज जो है आपका खुद का बस सर्विसेज है, जो मतलब वहाँ पे जो इसको हेल्प करती है। तो यहाँ पे देखो कि दे हैव देयर ओन bus facilities to carry the students from the city to here in the campus. और हॉस्टल तो है ना, यह तो हॉस्टल तो है ना, या फॉर स्टूडेंट आउट, जो स्टूडेंट जो है कनाडा का सा बाहर है तो उनके लिए हॉस्टल है। तो ये जो कॉलेज है इवन बाहर से बच्चे आते हैं, लाइक नाइजीरिया और अफ्रीका, दुबई, साउथ सूडान, बिकॉज द एजुकेशन क्वालिटी इज़ गुड इन इंडिया, so this is called education tourism. So students can come over here and get educated and go. This is Sri Manjunath College of Nursing. Can see the buses over here. So these are all the buses and vans for the students to carry from city से हर जगह सिटी से यहाँ पे आने के लिए, ट्रेनिंग के लिए यहाँ पे ट्रांसपोर्टेशन करते हैं। देखिए how the big campus, a huge campus. So dear students and parents, so you are happy to come to Bangalore, this garden city of India. The weather is good and education, the south city, that's kind of good quality of any pharmaceuticals and D Pharma diploma, everything nursing can be done in this college. Now we are going to the playground. So जब कोई कॉलेज का एक प्लेग्राउंड नहीं रहेगा, क्योंकि वो एक कम्पीट नहीं होगा, क्योंकि जो बच्चे खेलते हैं कूदते हैं वो सक्सेस रहते हैं। तो फिज़िकल एजुकेशन इज़ बेटर, जो पढ़ने के टाइम पे भी उन्होंने एक काइंड ऑफ रहता है कि उनका लाइक ए स्मॉल प्लेग्राउंड, तो बच्चे खेलते रहते हैं। तट या और एक बड़ा ग्राउंड भी है वहाँ पे साइड पे, थोड़ा सेकंड ग्राउंड यहाँ से एक है, और मैं थोड़ा यहाँ से ओके हाँ या